In Linux, we use pipes to join two or more commands. Let's see how it's done. We can use echo to output a string. We can use this with echo, put a pipe between two commands, and wc for word count. As you can see, it shows one line, two words, and 12 characters. You're wondering what's up with the character count. It's counting the new line character at the end of the string. We can also use this with cat command. Sort you will sort it by alphabetical order. Head will show only first 10 lines. And tail will show the last 10 lines. That's all for now. Subscribe for more videos.